Good morning everyone. Myself Supriya H. Putte, Assistant Professor, Department of Mathematics, Government First Grade College, Kadur, affiliated under Kuvempu University. Today I explain about 4th semester BSc practical program. Today I have taken program to find the limit and test the convergence of the sequence. In the class, we already know how to get the limit value, and depending upon the limit value, we tell the given sequence is convergent or divergent or oscillatory. I tell about the convergence. If the limit value is finite value, then we say the sequence is convergent. And if the sequence value is infinity or indeterminate, then the sequence is divergent. If the sequence is undefined, it is not for a finite value, it is undefined, then the sequence is oscillatory. We do this program in Maxima. Look at the program. In Maxima, we use kill all to clear the screen. In this sequence, in this program, I taken a sequence 2n plus 1 divided by 3n plus 4. So that's why I taken xn. Usually we write the sequence as xn. Xn is to 2 star n plus 1 divided by 3 star n plus 4. Lastly put the dollar symbol. To print the given sequence, we use print. Open the bracket, open double inverted comma. The given sequence is flower bracket xn. We usually write in flower bracket for sequence. That's why flower bracket xn is to close the inverted comma, flower bracket xn. Lastly we put dollar symbol. Next we write the sequence, then we have find out the limit value of the sequence. That's why I taken capital letter limit value, that is nothing but limit value, LIMVAL, limit value is to limit of, that is the function to find out the limit of the given sequence. Small letter limit of xn comma n comma inf, that is infinity. Close the bracket, put the dollar symbol. That is nothing but limit of the sequence xn as n tends to infinity. The obtained value is stored in the capital letter, what I write, LIMVAL, that is nothing but limit value. The obtained limit value, we have to print that one, so we use print. Print, open the bracket, open the double inverted comma. In the double inverted comma, we have to write limit of the sequence is equal to, that value is equal to, that is stored in capital letter LIMVAL, that is limit value. Therefore, comma LIMVAL, limit value. Close the bracket and put the dollar symbol lastly. Next, now we have find out the limit value. Now we are going to check whether the sequence is convergent or not. Depending upon the limit value, we tell about the given sequence is convergent or divergent or oscillatory. We have to use conditional statement, that is if. If ABS of limit value, that is nothing but ABS means absolute of lim val, andre limit value is equal to infinity, or absolute of limit value is equal to indeterminate, IND, that is nothing but indeterminate. Then if the two conditions are, if we get the two conditions, we tell the sequence is divergent. Therefore, display this statement disp open the bracket, in the double inverted comma we write sequence is divergent. If these two values are not obtained, then else if, here we can get the three results, therefore I use if, else if, else. Okay. Now else if absolute of limit value is equal to UND, that is undefined, undetermined, it is not fixed to a point, then disp sequence is oscillatory. We do not use the dollar symbol lastly because this is the conditional statement. If it is possible, we move on to another condition. That's why next, if these two are not possible, the limit value of the sequence should be a finite one. Therefore, else disp sequence is convergent. Right? So this is the program. If we do in this system, we get the result as like this. The given sequence is in the flower bracket xn, what I have taken is to 2n plus 1 divided by 3n plus 4. Limit of the sequence is equal to 2 by 3. Sequence is convergent. We obtain the limit of the sequence is finite, therefore the sequence is convergent. Thank you.